Hi guys, my name is Mark. I've been working for the last 4 years embedded in a DevOps team. And I'm a solution architect at Swiss Post, and today I want to start with a little story. The last time when I left my ivory tower, I had to defend my job against the Agile crowd. Thankfully, a methodology called SAFe took over the world and did the job for me. But now there is a new enemy. It's called DevOps. Well, thankfully, in this industry, it's common to simplify terms until no meaning is left. So who could resist the term DevSecBits ArcOps? Job done. Now a little bit of politics. I will tell management that we're now doing microservices connected with Kafka, hosted in a cloud on Kubernetes, and to operate it, we take a sprinkle of AI. But, well, we are here for the nerdy side, so welcome. I'll first define the terms DevOps and architecture. I will present a way to do architecture and then show you, as I promised, how to mix in DevOps into your design. That's my favorite definition of DevOps. It's about bringing changes fast to production with high quality. And it leaves a broad spectrum of measurements to take. And then architecture. Well, you probably know this definition. It's all about organizing a system, mainly by using decomposition and formulating principles that guide design and evolution. Okay, good. But how do we design now? So there is a paper that distilled a general design methodology for industrial approaches. We take the context and architectural concerns, filter for architectural significance, and generate solution candidates and, of course, principles. The context is something that is valid for every system we build, like technology restrictions, and architectural concerns are mainly non-functional and functional requirements specific for our system. So far, so abstract. Let's mix it together. We take DevOps and we think about which non-functional requirements are implied by it. Today, we take 6 of them. I can't go deep with those illities, because everything would fill our own talk, but I will try to inspire you to show you how it influences your design and probably also principles, and present you a few architectural tactics. First, what about the priorities? We'll see the illities influence each other. Automation is at the base. That's good because it reduces error rate, it frees up time, and it reduces also cognitive load. So let's start with it. Here, you could have a principle that says favor automation over manual interaction. And you should provide a standard way for automating things. Probably stick to what developers already know to gain traction with it. We deploy a lot, right? So design for zero downtime and do this by slice according to change rate. And also help your devs. Define patterns like database refactoring to help them to achieve that. Make testability a first-class citizen. You can do this, for example, by decoupled timed action and by providing and designing a production-ready REST API to put the system in a test condition. When something can go wrong, it eventually will. So decompose your system to build error boundaries and design for failure modes. You may take inspiration from the NASA Handbook of System Engineering. You should notice that your system fails before a user reports it. You can do that by applying the 3 pillars of observability. And no AI is necessary, I promise. That's the result you should get. Well, but the real world is messy. So go on call yourself, feel the pain, adjust your design, and support your team to achieve excellence. And last but not least, long-term versus short-term thinking. You have to deliver business value incrementally without shortcutting the quality concerns. And also, a lot of problems arise from the context. Act on it there. We'll ship faster with higher quality by applying the quality requirements and architectural tactics from DevOps. And always think about that software doesn't speak for itself. Thank you.